In SOLIDWORKS, you can use the width mate to place a component between two faces or planes. Go to the Advanced Mates, select Width Mate. Now select the two planes you want to place the component between. Depending on the type of component you want to place, you can either select two parallel faces, a cylindrical face or an axe, or two non-planar faces. After pressing OK, the component remains between the width selection. The Path Mate gives you the option to mate a point to a specified path. Again, go to Advanced Mate and select Path Mate. Now select the point you want to mate. And select the path. In the options you can further control the movement of the component. After pressing OK, you can see that the component moves according to the path.